Here at Gibbonsdown Children's Centre we look after children from the area who are aged between 2 and 5. Some of them come under the Fly and Start initiative, but some of them come during childcare so that parents can go into work, go into training to give the children a better life and better opportunities. So it means that when they go into school, into mainstream education, they're at the same level as children who aren't living in poverty and who are more affluent. Well, we're really excited to get the Hanford grant because it's so hard to get funding these days. Some of the equipment in our outside play area, which we're in at the moment, is quite sad and really needs to be replaced. We want to replace it before it gets unusable, in particular our house, which is behind me. So what we want to do is we want to make it into a beach hut to reflect the town that the children are living in, to make them proud of the town that they're living in. So we've got somebody who's an independent carpenter who's going to come and turn it into something bespoke. So we're really excited about having a beach hut in the play area.